It's a short 24-minute train ride from Rome Termini Station to Frascati, leaving at 9:49 a.m. Travel time can be longer depending on the time of departure. The ticket costs to €10 per person, which can be purchased at a ticket counter or by using the ticket vending machine. Ticket must be validated before boarding by inserting the ticket into the machine and wait for it to be stamped with the date and time. Failing to validate can result in a fine. Welcome to Frascati.
Let's go to explore.
Trenitalia. This is where you validate. Look, validation machine. Here.
Oh, this is a good step.
We don't understand. Overlooking Rome. We have a nice view here.
Beautiful, huh?
It's just being covered by the trees. Fresh air, no pollution. This is the real Italy. The real Italy.
They just hang around, they talk a lot of shit.
No scam.
During those times, people just peace alive. No, but these people, they don't take pictures. People like me, they can see me like hanging out. Relaxing. In Europe, you get used to this tempo.
Bella Vista Hotel.
Oh, this is nice.
So this is the old town, the historic town of Frascati. See, this is a quaint old town, very historic and away from the busy life of lifestyle in Rome. And here's the also cobblestones on the road, small streets.
Yeah, but people are like not in a rush, taking their time.
Also cafe, not full. Although you have a lot of place. Some restaurants. They have everything. Jewelry shop, pizzeria, pasticceria, cafe.
Here for sure.
What?
Gelato.
Gelato. Yeah, 100%. Not fake. Wow, that's nice. Wow, it's beautiful. Different style. They have gelateria here, and I'm sure very authentic gelato. Remember, we tried. There's also available room here. We were looking here, and also there, and very cheap and ugly. So we just decided to stay in Rome. And here, they have a fountain, very old, but behind the fountain is a newer building. I guess in the past it's just this one, without the building, of course. And here is the beautiful cathedral, very nice style.
You with me or not with me?
Fresh air, it's not so hot here.
Simple.
They're not rich like Rome. Humble church. Here is an old structure. Fontana di Piazza S. San Pietro. This is an old fountain.
Fountain di Piazza.
Fontana di Piazza. Fontana di Piazza, year 1700.
See, I'm learning the accent now.
Ayan, church? What's that? Baka mall. Shopping mall. This is all. Also, what's this? A church? What's that?
Everything is here, right?
Also nice.
Right next to each other. Wow. Each one after the other.
It's close.
Close?
Yeah.
Actually, ano pa to eh? Ito pa yung syudad nila eh, no?
Oo, downtown. Historic town of Frascati.
You're right. They usually put
Many shops, eh?
I know.
Let's see the prices.
Okay.
The price.
Yeah, I saw one t-shirt. €65.
This is the market.
This is like in the movies.
Yes. Yeah. It smells good. Look at the ananas too. So cheap. Really good price. $1.50 a kilo. Melon $1.99. Really good price. Shops. Osteria. Huh? Dev Osteria. Grocery. Look at the grocery. This is the grocery.
I'm telling you, you can't get 20 than this.
Da poi sarà di pollo pure tu stasera anche tutti? E va bene? Allora invia via Tina che ormai gli fa.
Care now all day. Maybe later.
Later.
Later. What time is it?
Where is he? Espresso shot. I just look. No, they have gelateria.
Yeah, let's go.
We can even sit on the other side. Sale, tabacci. What is tabacci? waiting to open. Porchetta. They have porchetta here. Will we go now? Didn't get. No English talaga. Cheese. So big talagang cheese. I think they sell porchetta. Wala silang supermarket. Ganun lang talaga.
You want to try and take right here?
They don't have like real supermarket. This is like real.
You want all the spice, authentic spice right here.
Some still closed. They open later, restaurants. Same group.
Following these guys, are they following
Yeah.
us? Huh?
Same group.
And here you'll have the cookie. This is a fun fact of this counter.
Real estate office. Gourmet.
Look, that is
Antica.
ano din, oh,
1919. Porchetta.
yeah, porchetta.
And look at the price. 4 euros. With a drink.
Oh my God.
Porchetta.
What the fuck, man?
Look.
Let's see.
Antica. Look, 1919. It's old.
Oh yeah.
See that? 1919. Antica. Norcineria. 4 euros with beer. Italian.
Capital. That's I think that's an Italian name. The capital. I don't know the capital much. There is a lot of BMW running on the street.
Gelateria.
Gelato?
Mango papaya lime. Thank you.
Two. Oh, I'll take your cup, yeah?
Let's sit there.
It's this wind and everything.
And spy on locals.
Spy on the tour groups and let's listen to what they say.
Can you think about something better than that? No?
Say.
Oh wow, this is the first time again I sit in front of church.
Ice cream.
I did that when I was young.
Can it be better than this?
Oh, yes.
Gelato in front of the cathedral.
Oh, yes.
It's a cathedral, not just a church.
This is really gelato.
Yeah.
The strawberry, blueberry, blackberry mix is good. You get.
It's nice, huh? Maganda rin, eh? Nice to meet. They serve meat. Nice restaurant. You open? For coffee? Only coffee? Close. 12. Okay. Thank you. Grazie.
Grazie.
Grazie. Grazie.
Grazie.